Welcome to the 2-month Parasite Cleanse program. I'm Dr. Saila and I'm excited to guide you through this powerful journey towards better health. If you are watching this, you have made an important decision to support your body's detoxification and digestive system by addressing potential parasites. Parasite cleanses are an essential part of maintaining your overall well-being. But before we dive in, I want to help you understand what's involved in this program and how it works. So now you may be new to the detoxing or parasite cleanses, and that's perfectly okay. If this is your first time, we will start with a 1-month preparation phase. This phase is crucial for prepping your body to properly release toxins and waste through drainage support. So it's all about setting the foundation for a smooth and effective cleanse. So you will feel more comfortable and supported, ensuring your body is ready to handle the cleansing phase. So for those of you who have some experience with detoxing or have recently done a cleanse, we will jump straight into the second month, which focuses specifically on the parasite cleanse. This part is designed to target any unwanted organisms in the body, helping restore balance and improving your gut health. So throughout this program, we will be focusing on supporting your body in the most natural and effective way. I'll be there to guide you every step of the way, and you can expect to feel more energized, clear-headed, and supported as you progress through this cleanse. So whether you are new to detoxing or experienced, this program is designed to meet your unique needs. I'm excited to be with you on this journey. So let's get started. And remember, your body is in the best hands.